Good morning, my dear and very near friends of and all the residents of the cantonment. It has been long time that we are discussing various facts and various notifications and all the directions given by the Ministry of Defence, or whether it is the letter given by DGD or the State Ministry. It is since 22nd May 2022 we are continuously discussing and we are continuously seeing the news in various newspapers of the Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Himachal and Delhi and the rest of the things. And this scenario is going on from the year 2022. Every month we are thinking that this will take around about, when the directions have come from the Ministry of Defence in the year 2022, and it was the day also I still remember, and we are having the documents also, and it was 22nd May 2022. And in that there were 8 modalities. In that modalities, the safeguard of each and every person have been done. I mean to say that it was having the safeguard for the resident of the cantonment. It was having safeguard for the bungalow owners. It was having safeguard for the lease owners, means the houses which are on lease and present in the cantonment. It was for the old grand bungalows, the lease bungalows and rest of the things. And which I think, as per these all facts, I am telling you after taking a very deep study and various other specialities, persons, advocates and learned persons, I have taken suggestions and I have come to a conclusion that we should form, now time has come, that we should form an association at India level, so that we will be able to give an representation to the government and the Ministry of Defence and the DGD and to the State Ministry. Say, what is happening, that every time we see, from last 4 years we are seeing that is a meeting to be held between DGD and Ministry of Defence. DGD, Ministry of Defence and the state government. Every time we find that number of queries are coming up, number of times that we are seeing that this is prolonging. Say, everybody, I am telling it very clearly that DGD is having an hidden agenda about the merger and the merger procedures. It's very clear from all the documents and all the notifications and all the meetings that DGD don't want the kingdom to come to an end. What I'm saying, that I think that you are following that things. My interest and the interest of the Cantonment Express news group and all our WhatsApp group is to safeguard the resident of the cantonment, you safeguard the bungalow owners, safeguard the lease owners and also the employees. Along with this Cantonment Express news group, many employees are also along with us. Their interests, we are also ready to safeguard their interests, since they have worked for so many years in the cantonment. If you take the example of class 4 employees, class 4 employees have worked such and good for all our cantonment. You can't imagine that the class 4 of the cantonment employees have worked a lot. Without any hesitation, they have worked to clean up your toilets, to clean up your gutters, to clean up your houses. So they have worked dedicatedly for the cause of the cantonment. So I do have a great regards for this class 4 employees, and along with all the employees which have worked very good for the betterment of the cantonment. Now time has come that we should form an association. So I am ready to form an association. My WhatsApp number, I am giving it below also, on the screen also. My WhatsApp number has come. So you send your Aadhaar card, your name, your address, and which category of land do you stay, and what is the square feet, so that we can form a very good association throughout the India, and we can represent directly to the Ministry of the Defense. We can directly, I can assure you, I can guarantee you that I will make a provision that a dedicated group, say for example few from Himachal Pradesh, 2 persons from Telangana, say Secunderabad cantonment, 2 persons from Shillong, 2 persons from Delhi, two from south of the Wellington, and everybody in this cantonment has to work and dedicatedly for this association. This video I am making dedicatedly for this association, so that in each and every agenda that we want to put, we will make our agenda that this points 1 number, 2 number, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say for example, one cantonment, we stay in Maharashtra. There are 7 cantonments. 7 cantonments. I am giving this example of Maharashtra, and take it for every other states also is facing the same problem which I am telling. Say for example, in Sambhajinagar, the condition of the cantonment is going worse and worse day by day. Day by day, the sanitation problem has come up, the water problem has come up, the roads, the hospitals, they are having no funds, they are having shortage of funds, and time has come that we should get together and talking with each and everybody, sharing the views, talking on the WhatsApp. It's useless, which I think it's useless. Say we should take up and come up with an solution for this. Many a times I have gone to the Ministry of Defense. They cooperate with us. They listen to us. The problem is that we should go to the Ministry of the Defense. Ministry of Defense office we should go. We should stand up there. We should give our agenda that these are the problems faced with us, and let us come up with a solution. Take another chance also. Go to the Ministry of Defense. Saying and sitting at our place and our houses and just watching what DGD, what Ministry of Defense, and what the state government is doing. They know nothing about the problems which we are facing. My age it is 58. From 58 years from my birth, we are facing the problem of cantonment. In cantonment, things are different. It is as good as a British rule, which we have earlier discussed. The president which is of cantonment board, he doesn't know anything about the cantonment. He is from Haryana, he is from Madhya Pradesh, he is from other states, and he is coming and sitting here in the post of the president. So what is this now? What is this? So this doesn't say. Say, I can recall you, say, during the formation of the Cantonment Act 1924, there was a person named Diwan. His surname was Diwan, and he was from Kamti Cantonment, which is in Nagpur, Maharashtra. He has taken up a view in 1924. He has taken up a view, he has put forth the agenda of the general public. And after that, the Cantonment and the Cantonment Act 1924 was formed, and further it was amended in 2006. Now in the midway 1922, it still was to be amended. Say, but still the Cantonment Act is of the British rule, and totally we can't work under the British rule type of the government. So one thing we can say that we should thank the Modi government that they have come up with this proposal to merge the cantonment with the nearby municipalities, or declare that as an Gram Panchayat. So vice versa, they have acted it. They have worked with it. No doubt, Ministry of Defence is doing a very good job, and I think there is no reverse gear for this merger procedures. Or one thing I will tell you, that bird's name I am forgetting. The moment that birds see that there is fire in the jungle, they put their heads in the mud, seeing that we don't want to see this. In the same way, we all the cantonment residents are doing the same thing. There is fire around going on. That fire is burning and growing up bigger and bigger. And we are seeing that. It is just seeing like a film. We are seeing an Indian film, that hero and that heroine and the villain is there. It's just good as watching a circus, very good circus, clap, clap, clap. This will not go. This will come up to a dead end. Dead end. I can say you that this will come up to a dead end. And thanks to our all Cantonment Express news and the WhatsApp group, that they are intact with us. Each one is intact with each another. Say Shillong, say Madhya Pradesh. I can take the names of n number of persons that we are attached with. We are thinking together, we are enacting together, we are sending proposals to Ministry of Defence, DGD, and the state governments also, Urban Ministry. Many a times I have went to Delhi also. Many a times I have went to State Ministry of the Maharashtra, Urban Ministry. So the time has come that we should make a very good association. First we'll make an association. So my request to each and every resident of the cantonment, and please don't be afraid of things. डर के आगे जीत है. I will not name the company of the that ad that says डर के आगे जीत है. So first we have to face what the problems have come, and definitely we will get together. And I am confident that round about 500 people are continuously in touch with me, and we'll make a very good association. Midway roundabout in the year 23-24, we have come up that we'll make an association, and a get together meeting will be held at Pune. But the matter comes that paisa kaun dega? When says round about 100 or 200 people come, the resident problem has come. So 2 days stay has come, 2 days food has come, the sanitation and the rest of the things have come, the travel has come. So that goes a very big budget. So the best way is to form an association. This association will work state-wise, say from Himachal, say Madhya Pradesh, say Telangana, say Maharashtra, Bengal. Say everywhere we are having, and everywhere I have contributed what the knowledge I am having, and I am very, very thankful to all my friends, right from the Himachal, say Madhya Pradesh, say Jammu Kashmir, and to the Wellington also, say in Bengal also. Say everybody has contributed a very good, and now the time has come that we should make an association which will be registered originally. I will show you the papers which will be filed in the registry of the Charity Commission, and the agenda points regularly I will show you in each and every video. I will show you the things, and don't think that this is a very difficult situation. Time has come that we should see. So I will make an end with this video, and request everyone to send this WhatsApp messages to me, so that I will save it state-wise, and we will sort it down, and state-wise we will make committees, and that committees will put up the proposal to us as centralized. We will make the YouTube channel also. As you know, that channel will make registered, that only the registered and the subscribed members will be able to see this video. This condition has to be made, since we don't want any nuisance in the cantonment issues related to the YouTube channel also, and to the WhatsApp group also. We'll make only members will be allowed to talk on that. Members will be able to comment on that and take a suggestion. In our whole group, we are having n number of advocates also, very highly educated and very talented advocates also we are having, and they are the resident of the cantonment. They are the resident of the cantonment. They are not from the outside. So each one will contribute their services, what they have, and how we can make this an association as a stronger point, so that we can clip these three persons, say for example MOD, Ministry of Defence, and DGD. Unless and until we say to them that these are our problem, how will be they knowing that what is the trouble with you? They are not knowing what trouble you are having. So repeatedly I am saying that take a step, and this is the month of the May. We'll make it in this coming 15 days that registration gets covered. Thank you.